is nothing but electricity board charges. So here the question states that electricity board charges that following rates of the use of electricity for the first 200 units at the rate of 80 paise per unit, and for the next 100 units at the unit rate of 90 paise per unit. If it crosses beyond 300 units, rupees 1 per unit, and all the users are default charged with a minimum 100 as a meter charges. And if the total amount is more than 400, then additional surcharge of 15% of a total amount is charged. So write a program to name of the user, to read the name of a user and number of units consumed, and print the charges by evaluating as per the rates provided in the question. Okay, so for this we need to take input as two inputs has to be taken mandatorily. Here two inputs are required. A first input will be a name and second input will be a units. So as per the question, then we need to evaluate a charge of the number of units utilized by the concerned consumer. Okay, so here hash include stdio.h is a standard header file that we are using for reading and writing the data like a printf and scanf functions. Since we are using it in a program, the definitions of those functions are stored in this stdio.h. So next, main program, actual C program starts from int main. So now a first input required is a name. So we have defined it as a group of characters like a string. So name of 10 characters fixed size. Second input given it as a unit. So we have declared that unit variable as a floating point variable since it varies with the fractional part of data. Then one more is called a charge. We need to calculate a charge of the amount what is charged for that concerned number of units consumed, and minimum amount for each and every billing will be 100. It is mandatorily given for any number of units which is consumed over there. Even a 5 units is consumed, default minimum 100 along with that evaluation will be calculated here. So initially we need to read the name of a consumer as well as the total number of units which is consumed by that concerned consumer. So the name of the person through a group of characters. So first input we have taken it as ABC is a name, and number of units is 150. So now we are going to check with this. If the unit is less than 200, the unit read is 150. The total number of units read is 150. Is now 150 less than 200, 150 less than equal to 200, that units charged. So here the condition is true. So now we need to calculate charge for that concerned unit and display it on the output screen. So how to calculate? So as they have given, if the units is less than 200, so first to up to first 200 units, from 0 to 200 units, we need to charge per unit 80 paise per unit. So how do you evaluate that 80 paise? So that units what you have ever consumed, that units into 0.80 plus a minimum charge is must and should for any number of units that you have consumed over there. So here we have taken an example as 150 units consumed in a first iteration. So in the first iteration of evaluation, 150 units, 150 into 0.8, you will get it as 120. So 120 rupees of amount is charged plus a minimum amount of 100. When the units are 150 units are consumed, the total amount of that will be displayed it as 220. So the total amount for the consumed 150 units will be displayed it as 220. That name of that concerned person is ABC. So our first iteration charges is when the units are less than 200. So first iteration is executed. So for example, if the unit is more than 200, so consider one more example. Name is equal to XYZ is taken as an input. Now the units consumed is 220. So now we need to calculate a charge which is evaluated for the 220 units. Check with the condition. Is 220 less than 200, less than equal to 200? Condition is false. In the first iteration, it will go to the else part. In the else part again, else if unit is, that is 220 units is less than or equal to 300. So is the second part, that 220 units is less than or equal to 300. Yes, condition is true. In the second condition, that is condition is true. Now we need to calculate a charge. Here a slight formula is varied. You can check it out. Charge is equal to unit minus 200. Now what are the units read here? We have read 220 units. So that 220 units minus 200 into 0.9. So if here in the question itself stated that after 200 units up to next 100 units, it should be charged in a rate of 0.90 paise. That is 90 paise is nothing but 0.9 per unit. So up to the 200 units, the evaluation should be a 0.8, that is 80 paise only. That we need to add for 200 units. We need to add it as, so 200 into 0.8 we will get 160 plus this 20 into 0.9. Here a difference units is there, no, from after 200 up to 300, 20 into 0.9 plus 160 is nothing but this units what you are evaluated for. First 200 default up to 200 units, it will be 80 paise. That is 200 into 0.8, we will get it as 160 plus 100 is minimum. 100 plus 160, it is a 260. And additional units, that is more than 200 up to 300 is 20 units are there. 20 into 0.9, we will going to get it as 18. So 18 plus 160 plus 100, totally 278 rupees of the amount is charged for the units less than 300. So one more condition is put up over there. If the amount is more than 400, an additional 15% will be charged. That I'll show it in the next process here. So now a third condition, else if the units is more than 300 and less than 400. So now we need to see here, if it is more than 300, default charge will be 1 up to n number of units as per the question. So one more name, we have read it as PQR here. The name of the person is the input. 360 units, we are reading it as a number of units consumed for that concerned person. Now we will check with the condition. It has to be from starting only again. So 360 less than equal to 200, condition is failed. So next 360 less than equal to 300. Again this condition is failed. So then it will go to the else part. So here is 360 is greater than 300. Yes, condition is true. So 360 is greater than 300. 360 is greater than 300. Condition is true. Now we need to evaluate a charge of that unit. So here a first iteration 360 minus 300, since up to 300 units. So 1 to 100 units is a 160 and another 100 units will be charged in a 90 paise per unit. So for up to 200 units, so the charge will be up to 200 units charge is 160. So 200 to 300, so the charge will be the 100 units into 0.9, we will get a 90 as a resultant. So that total is 250 that we need to add for 300 units. Then we have to check for this 60 units has to be calculated. 60 into 1, that value we will get it as 60, a difference amount 60, so more than 60, 300 units plus this 250 plus the minimum amount is default mentioned in the question is 100. So totally we will going to get a charge as 410 after evaluating this complete expression. So if the units are more than 300, so the charge amount what we are getting here is 410. So for this 410, one more condition they have put here is if the total amount is more than 400, you can see in the question. So then an additional surcharge, if it crosses more than 400, additional surcharge will be charged as per the total amount is calculated. So now the additional surcharge has to be added for this amount what we have evaluated. Our condition we need to check is the charge is greater than 400. What is the charge value here we are having? Charge value is 410 is greater than 400. Now we need to update this charge value. So now charge is equal to 410 plus charge value is equal to 410 plus 410 into 0.5, 410 plus 410 into 0.15. So that 0.15 is a 15% of the surcharge need to be added. If 15% of the surcharge need to be added if the charge is more than 400. So now what will be the resultant we will get here? So 410 is the initial charge value plus 410 into 0.5, we will get it as 61.5. So totally it will be 471.5 will be the resultant charge that need to be updated in the charge column. Once if you print that value, that name will be PQR. So the total charge, since the charge amount is more than 400, so that value evaluated charge amount with the surcharge added of 15% will be 471.5. So this is about a complete evaluation of a simple calculator program, that is electricity board charges program. These are the two main programs. Simple calculator is the first program and electricity board is the second program that we have done for today's class. Okay. So when the charge is more than 400 only, we need to add this surcharge value. Be careful while writing the iterations of that concerned program.